I was just reflecting whilst Rajneel was speaking that last weekend I was at the Fiji Institute of Accountants Congress. It was held in Crown Plaza, and a lot of big business people. And today, so pleased to be here to come and attend this equally important event for the area of micro, small, and medium enterprises in Fiji and also cooperatives, which is an equally important part of the People's Coalition Government's agenda. To the directors of Sweet Sip, Rajneel and Ajay Kumar, the Kumar family, the Yes Selection panel members, business partners, and invited guests who are here today. And of course, the members of the media. Bulvinaka, namaste, and a very warm super greeting to you all. It is, of course, truly an honor to be here this afternoon as chief guest on this very, very special occasion. The opening, or official opening, of Sweet Sip's first ever permanent dessert store right here at the ever popular MHCC, the meeting point in the heart of Suva. Today's event is not just the launch of a new dessert outlet. It's a celebration of persistence, innovation, and the spirit of entrepreneurship. Sweet Sip is more than just a dessert brand. It is a product of creativity, resilience, I'm sure a lot of love as well, and kind of forward thinking, the type we need to propel our economy forward. From humble beginnings as a mobile dessert cart offering rolled ice cream and sweethearts at festivals and pop-up markets, Sweet Sip became quickly a favorite amongst young and the young at heart. Their products didn't just satisfy the cravings, they trended, they went viral, and created a unique experience. With limited resources but limitless determination, Rajneel and his wife and the team have brought to life flavor and flair to our communities, building their brand one roll at a time. What you see here today is the sweet result of their dedication, hard work, and ability to see possibilities where others may have seen obstacles. But no great business story is built alone. When Mr. Kumar walked into our office, his passion and determination were clear. With his supportive wife and adorable daughter by his side, it was evident this was more than just a business, it was a family dream. The ministry saw it as a story worth backing, and we are proud to make that dream a reality. I am also proud to say that Sweet Sip's journey was supported early through the government's Young Entrepreneurship Scheme, or YES, a flagship initiative under the ministry. This program was designed to empower young entrepreneurs with unique and innovative ideas and give them a boost when they need it most, and to fuel ideas that can grow into sustainable businesses. And Sweet Sip has done just that. They took the support and ran with it. What we are witnessing today is a shining example of how government backing combined with the effort of and grit and determination of the entrepreneurs can create real, lasting opportunity and impact. As your government, we are fully committed to empowering Fijian entrepreneurs One of our key ways of doing this is through a range of MSME initiatives, such as the YES program. Central is the development of the MSME strategy, which will drive MSMEs over the next 5 years. Our ambitious target is to ensure that MSMEs contribute 40% to Fiji's GDP. Yes, it is a bold vision, but reflects our confidence in the potential of MSMEs. To support this strategic plan that is being developed, the Ministry is also developing a database which will capture vital information about all our entrepreneurs and their businesses. The database will enable better access to tailored support, improve policy, and making and connecting MSMEs with growth opportunities, financing, and training. By harnessing this data, we can ensure that no entrepreneur is left behind and that our MSMEs thrive like never before. In addition to the government support, I would also like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the agencies that have helped SweetSip thus far. The Fiji Development Bank during the COVID-19 period and later recognized their excellence in the FDB MSME Awards. BSP Fiji for stepping in with mentorship and business development opportunities, and Business Assistance Fiji for providing training, tools, and operational guidance that have helped SweetSip sharpen their business skills. This is the power of collaboration. When public and private sectors work together to create an environment where entrepreneurial success becomes inevitable. To all young people, let SweetSip inspire you to take the first step. Even if the risk feels high, start small, start smart, and remember, you are not on the journey alone. And finally, to Mr. and Mrs. Kumar, I want to offer my sincere congratulations. You and your team and your story represent the very best of what our young people can achieve with the right mix of courage, creativity, and commitment. As I officially hand over this YES grant and open your business, I do so with the confidence in your vision and pride in your journey. May this new chapter bring you continued growth, lasting impact, and endless scoops of success. We look forward to seeing the journey of SweetSip not only grow here in Suva, but expand to other towns and enter new markets. And one day, who knows, represent Fiji on the global stage. May God bless your journey ahead, and may your journey as sweet as your name carries. Thank you. Okay, all the best then. You're gonna come in. All right, God bless everybody. All the best to you. Naka.
Maybe take one vote for it first. On this count of three, on the red, count of three. Yeah, darling, get in. Right, count of three. 1, 2, 3. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
This is our fresh
Thank you. Thank you.